This video is all about to educate you how to use social media by optimization. It's like you are building trust when you used to optimize your social media by posting some videos, by posting your clients testimonials, by putting your testimonials on highlights of your Facebook and Instagram. So that builds credibility, guys. When a person lands on your Facebook page or Instagram profile, they first see your highlights and then they will scroll top 3 pinned posts. So that's where the credibility builds, and they will likely to engage your post and they will DM you what is your service, how you are doing this. So that's the thing. I'm just recommending you just post every client testimonial on your social media and build credibility. After that, you will be like to use to run Facebook and Instagram ads also, where you can easily target your followers who are actually interested in your service, right? So that's the thing. I'm just making this video. Apart from that, if you are really interested, we are actually offering 10 days free trial advertisements, especially for you guys who are watching my videos and who are actually following me from the past couple of days.